All right, Facebook. Tiffany, how did you hear about me again? Tara Conway?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've
She's on the
actually,
other side.
huh?
She's on the other side.
She's
The
on,
neighborhood.
she lives, yeah, because she actually sells a lot of houses in this community.
Yeah.
I clean a lot of houses here.
Yeah, she lives in here too.
Oh, okay. All right, Tara, Miss Conway. This is Courtney. Thank you again. Another referral. I'll show you what I'm doing today, guys. The client, new customer, they're moving out. So what I'm going to do is this hallway right here. No spots, no stains. The stairs. This living room right here. And this room right here. And that's it. So that's the four areas. And every customer. So this is for you guys who want to use me again, brochure.
Okay.
And also a price sheet.
Perfect.
Alrighty. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Tiffany, I'm just gonna come through the front door.
Perfect.
Alrighty. Alright guys, so I just want to say thank you to Miss Conway for referring me to all these customers and clients. And go ahead and knock this job out. And one more after this. Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up guys? Today is October the 8th. My second of 3 jobs. Hold on, is it the 8th? Yeah, October the 8th. Second of 3 jobs today. This job was a referral. And just to show you guys, man, again, when you guys see me cleaning certain carpets, it's because of, it's a challenge. Gives me the opportunity to, see how good the chemistry, my techniques, and things like that play a big factor in cleaning. So again, down to the science. But most of my jobs, guys, are very, what we're gonna say, maintained carpets, very lightly soiled carpets. So there's really no challenge. There's really nothing to really show. I mean, I can show you guys me cleaning these carpets, and what I'm doing here is a total of 4 areas. I'm not doing any of the bedrooms, just gonna do the hallway, the stairs, and 2 rooms downstairs. So there's 4 areas, 200 bucks. I charge $50 per area. But the main thing about this video, guys, is that when you have these kind of jobs where it's really not a challenge, what you want to do then is present the customer with your setup, your personality, your professionalism, because again, there's really nothing to, show here. I mean, yes, I am going to clean the carpets, but there's really nothing to really brag about when it comes to cleaning the carpets. So how do we shine in these kind of jobs? Being professional, okay? Again, your setup, sealer doors, corner guards, your floor mats, because when I work for a lot of my jobs, there are not heavily soiled carpets. These are what the things that my customers and clients are giving me compliments on. The corner guards. Oh, Courtney, I've had my carpets cleaned 2 or 3 times, and I've never seen anybody put down corner guards. I've never seen anyone put down floor mats. These are the things that's going to impress these kind of customers. Also the stairs, this room right here, and this room right here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, there is no challenge here. But what is the customers going? They're going to be impressed. Again, clean van. Customers are going to look at your van. They're going to look at you. They're going to look at how you set up, how you take your time. Just because this job is not a challenge doesn't mean we want to get in here and just run through it. Because people, if they're paying you a decent amount of money, you still want to treat them right. But instead of again, since there's no challenge in the cleaning, you still want to do something, okay, to feel like they got the same quality as if the carpets were a challenge. So that's what that's what I do, guys. Even though a lot of jobs that I get into, you know, like I said, just because it's not a challenge doesn't mean, oh, I'm just going to get in here, zip through it. I'm still going to clean the carpets properly. I'm still going to dry stroke, still going to do, you know, a great job. But in this situation, my presentation and my professionalism is going to outweigh the cleaning, because yeah, I mean, there's nothing, I'm not going to say there's nothing to clean, but there's really no challenge when it comes to the cleaning. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up on this job, finish setting up. Just gonna clean this with a neutral cleaner, and that's it, guys. So just wanted to show you guys this as an example, and I got one more after this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.